Since the water is now, the solution is now pink, Aliana will gently blow into the flask with the straw until the solution's color changes once again to that clear color. So gradually, the pink color is disappearing and returns back to its original, which is clear or colorless.
Feel na
And
feel,
it's
you know.
because of the carbon dioxide in our breath, because carbon dioxide is an acidic oxide, which is an aqueous solution, turns litmus from blue to pink. And once again, I repeat, the phenolphthalein indicator turns the solution once base. The phenolphthalein indicator turns pink when the solution is a base, but it remains colorless when the solution is an acid. And then the carbon dioxide in our breath is an acidic, so which is why the solution once again turns back into its clear color.
It's a
And
documentary.
if you have any questions, feel free to raise them. Thank you.